Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasir the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine. Guys, in this video I am going to explain how you can create a valid WhatsApp account in 2022. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, you must have WhatsApp in your smartphone. For this purpose, you may download it for your smartphone from the Play Store. Open the Play Store. Type here WhatsApp. Here is the app. Click the install. Downloading is start. So wait for the few minutes. The app is downloaded and being installed. Now the app is installed and here is the icon at the bottom end of the screen. Click, open it, agree and continue. So enter your country code, it's Pakistan for my case, and enter your phone number. The phone number must be valid and being used in the smartphone, and WhatsApp will send a confirmation SMS. When you have entered your valid phone number, then click next. Now the WhatsApp is asking for some permissions. Allow, next. If you have some backup, click your account. Otherwise, if you don't want to backup your chats, you can skip this detail. You can add some of your old Google ID, or you can create a new one for this purpose. But for the saving of the time, I am skipping this procedure at present. Enter some of your details, for example names or any business name, then press enter next. And now here is your WhatsApp ID is completed and you can create some chats and group chats. I hope that's enough for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.